So my vertigo hasn't been going away, and I wanted to know if my medication can wind up be causing this. That's going to be today's video topic. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Aligned Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health to wind up leading amazing, fantastic lives. For today's video, we're going to talk about a subject that can be real sensitive. Could my medications be causing me to have vertigo? And the quick and short answer is yes, they could. Okay, but I need you to listen in because I cannot make recommendations on your drugs and medications on what you should and you shouldn't be doing. But if you've been having problems with vertigo, you do need to go through and do an evaluation of any medications that you could be on. For many drugs, they are a side effects that could include dizziness, vertigo, and loss of balance. And if there are, you got to talk with your physicians on how do you change your life so you can wind up removing them and get back to being yourself, because vertigo is a very difficult condition. It can cause a lot of health challenges and problems, and they can wind up being actually worse than what the medication was for that you may be on. If you've run into problems like this, I do some discussions where we talk about things, and I help to dissect whether or not they may be contributing and to help you take the right next steps. If you want some help with that, go ahead and schedule a discovery call down below. We'll dig in and figure out if the medication you're on may be causing the problem and come up with a plan for you to take on how to get back to your life. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.